a response to the preliminary objection by the Senator for Nandi, and also wish to hear a response from the County Assembly on the preliminary objection by the Senator for Nandi. Proceed. Proceed. I'll come to you. Okay. Honorable Senators, I'm informed that the Senator for Kisii cannot hear me because you're making noise. Kindly be silent. Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, sir, my understanding is that you're inviting me to respond to Honorable Ladema's point in reference to Rule 30. Oh, okay.
For Nandi, who raised the preliminary objection opposing the appearance of Honorable Osoro.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'll be as brief as this. Our position is that this Honorable Senate and the National Assembly are different functions. Number two, the impeachment jurisdiction that you're exercising today is not a function that is exercised at National Assembly. And for that reason, there is no conflict in Honorable Osoro appearing here, considering that there would be no occasion and no situation where we would have to influence or contribute to the question of whether the impeachment can proceed or not. I would also want to identify myself with the submissions by Honorable Kalwale and say, up to the last minute we were together in the sense that if you are sitting already as judges, then we know that your members have appeared before court and conducted proceedings there. And insofar as therefore you're sitting as a court, then Honorable Osoro, for as long as he's not a member of this Senate, can participate the same way your other members have been able to make contribution in the court precincts. I pray that you allow Dr. Monda to enjoy the services of an advocate of his choice. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, part of the